everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a lettuce. Let's start. First draw a line like this and then start wiggling circle and connect straight. And then from here, draw a wiggly line. And then from here, draw a thing like this. Now from here, draw a wiggly line and connect. Now from here, draw a wiggly line and connect it right there on this part. And now from here, draw a wiggly little and connect. And let's do the same thing on here. And now from here, draw a line like this to here. We're done. It's time to color. I'm going to color the lettuce green. Light green or dark green. And I want to color it a little brown. That's my brown. We eat lettuce, and lettuce is a very good vegetable. One of my uncle makes chow mein out of lettuce. We eat it, and we say, yummy more. Just kidding. Hey, I'm trying to look for my green, but I accidentally used the color I already used. I found it now. Alright, I need my brown now. This is not my... Yeah, it is. The brown means it's getting bad. Like it's getting stuff that you can't eat. I'm done. I'll show you a magic trick. When I count to 10, my dad will finish. Never mind, my dad. No, he's not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You want to count along with me? I'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My dad's done. Bye. Keep eating green vegetables. Bye.